Packing up the ground tent. Zip up all tent flies and windows. Loosen the smaller guy ropes surrounding the tent and pull out the tent pegs from the ground. Loosen the awning guy ropes and remove them from the top of the awning poles. Store away. Take the awning pole down and remove it from the awning eyelet. Fold the pole up and pack it away. Repeat on the other side. Unzip the awning from the tent. Fold the awning up neatly and set aside. Loosen the 4 corner guy ropes and pull the pegs from the ground. Move inside the tent and unlatch the centre pole. Release the clip at the base of the pole, allowing it to slowly shorten and bring the tent roof down. Supporting the roof canvas, pull the pole away. It's helpful if someone is on the outside holding the tent up. Gently and neatly guide the centre of the roof down to the ground in the middle of the tent floor. Fold the middle pole up and store away. Unpeg the base corners and store the pegs away. Fold up the tent canvas neatly and store it away in the tent bag. Have one person stand on the tyre step while the other person passes the tent up. Place the tent bag on the roof rack with the logo facing down and the handles facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Using the straps provided, secure the tent bag to the roof rack.